Welcome to U Ranch, home of the you have a busted ass Subaru with a broken clutch, and we're gonna fix it because we do a million of these all the time, always apparently. This one's mad crusty. 240K and it smells like a dog peed inside of it. Let's see what we got going on in there. I'm actually curious. What's the selection of goodies that are inside here? I saw some interesting stuff when I hopped in to get this thing pulled in. What's that? Is these some wipes? Oh, baby wipes? Okay. So he either has a child or he has really messy poops. Dutch Bros, Red Bull. Oh God. Ominous brown rag. Don't love that. Someone likes Dutch Bros though.
I take it to St. in a while.
Oh geez. It's the most wonderful time. I guess let's do another Subaru clutch.
Oh, what is the flirted in? Oh, because bad cat.
Yeah, apparently this had a 420 code at one point. And they fixed it. Looks fixed to me. Yeah. That's how I would fix it on my own personal vehicle.
We also fix stolen cats a different way on our own personal vehicles.
Cut to the shot of the mystical S-Pipe.
Yeah. Oh my god. Why is that gay as heck? This should not be this tight.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Got it.
So, this is what came out of the transmission.
it's really goopy. Yeah, you can see it inside of it.
Are we gonna take bets on whether or not it's actually the clutch?
Oh my god, look at that. That's so nuts.
Make sure you watch till the end to find out if the car actually needed a clutch or not.
Wow. So, if you haven't done anything on a 99 Subaru or Subarus this style, the axles are held on with a bitch pin. If you're doing one of these, or you plan on doing this, the easiest way to get them out is a T15 torque screwdriver from Pittsburgh. Works great. See? It's a bitch pin, because y'all don't know how to take it out. You ain't done nothing unless you tried some mayonnaise grilled cheese sandwiches.
I actually had a mayonnaise grilled cheese last night.
This motherfucker tried it, and he's talking shit. How was it?
It was good.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But the funny part is when you came here the other day, with that, you were telling me about it, the first thing that came to my mind was like, oh, Amanda was literally just trying to convince me to do this the other day. It's like, now I have to do it.
You're like, alright,
I'll never
in front of me tried
I'll
it.
never hear the end of it at work and at home if I don't. I know that was going to come straight from my dome.
I knew where you were. I was bracing the engine so that we could drop the transmission. And watch this, right? So I'm going to start pushing the engine up. It starts leaking more.
Where else is it coming from?
No, it's coming from where the gasket is.
Oh, yeah.
Is that loose? No?
No?
No, it's tight.
Okay.
The input shaft was stuck in the disc.
Yeah.
Oh, where'd the spring go? Oh, we have a problem.
I've never seen that one before.
That's pretty good.
I've seen clutch floated up in a lot of different ways, but not that way.
Oh, that's why. This is stuck in the pressure plate.
Wow.
Yeah, that would explain why it was hard to take the tranny off. The weird part is, the flywheel and the pressure plate don't even look bad. So, how did that clutch break? Like, look at the pressure plate. It looks just like that. It's like not really used. Yeah, that looks like it's leaking. So this is one of those times where customer states, if not actively leaking, don't replace. I can't say it's actively leaking, but I'm gonna feel real bad putting everything back on like that.
That shit's stout.
Yeah,
Why is it?
it's the springs.
Yeah, but it's like...
Yeah, because it's catching on whatever they welded on the side of that piece. Yeah, the wire that was weirdly stuck and had to be pried off. It's working. Who'd have thought? I didn't. So now that we did the throw bearing repair kit with the sleeve for the snout, the new springs that went on there, the new fork, because I wouldn't trust it after that, new clutch, rear main seal, we fixed a little service cover there because it was also leaking oil. The customer declined fixing the coolant leak. I guess they think it's fine. We'll find out. And then there's a lot more stuff that thing needs, but if it's a beater, it's gonna keep working.